Brashad tried to. Brashad tried to. What we doing? Come on, let's do it.
It ain't gonna work.
What happened?
You see how that shit is gone? It blew it all
That
off.
still works. Something happened. We don't know what
I'm not
happened.
messing with that.
Come on, we can get it.
You put it on that end.
Okay, here, let me try. You gotta record me dying for my mama now. It's recording.
They gonna fire me.
Come on.
I'm gonna leave y'all ain't come.
You recording the ground. I need my mama to see my last days of life.
Take them away from each other.
Lord, we need a YouTube. Why you recording my grass? Okay. Red was negative.
I don't know.
Red, negative. Black, positive.
Time out. Stop.
You see a man?
Maybe we should put these on first.
Okay. Okay, that was my idea.
Do it what?
But next time we'll know we gotta have this on tape.
Okay, you go put them on.
Why you gotta make me? Okay. Why I gotta keep doing the hard part? Last time I think we had did it first on this side,
Did we?
and it still burnt us. Okay.
That shouldn't shock. That battery dead.
Oh, it didn't burn us.
Okay, now you do me.
Okay, let's see.
I'm scared.
I'm scared for you. Oh, don't take my car.
Red say positive.
Well, then we go positive. Do it on that. We'll see what happens.
It won't reach.
You good at making stuff reach. Do it, boy.
It won't reach.
That's weird. It reached last time. It's the same thing. It's the same. I think you just scared. We don't know what we're doing
Clearly.
at all, as usual. We don't know what to do. Maybe we can call help. I don't know. Let's see.
I'm scared.
Okay. They're
Start your
on.
car.
They're on. To my car I go to start the engine. Where I don't blow up. You ready?
I'm scared. Hold on, where my keys at?
I think I gave it back to you. Okay. We're gonna try. Nothing happened. For a second. I handed them back to you. Did we drop them on the ground? Check in my car. See
They're
them.
right there.
Oh yeah, there they go.
On the ground.
But here, who keeps doing?
Oh, it fell off the thing. Damn.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. Let's see if the cars blow up. Choo choo choo. Nothing? Okay, let me go give you some gas. I'm giving the car some gas. Baby, I gave you brakes. What's happening? Maybe we didn't go into maintenance. Nothing? Nothing?